Welcome to our How to Remove Wallpaper video. We are going to show you some different methods you can use to remove wallpaper easily without damaging the surface of your walls. First things first. Before grabbing any tools, test a corner. Some wallpapers come off easily and others may need more work. It all depends on the type of wallpaper hung, how long it's been on the walls, and if there are any other layers of old wallpaper on the walls underneath. For instance, woodchip wallpaper can be especially challenging to remove, depending on how many coats of paint are on the surface. When removing this paper type, scrape the surface off, which will remove the wood chips and some of the paint layers, allowing access to the back layers, which will enable you to soak through and remove. The paper we are going to show removing is the paste the wallpaper, so can often be dry removed in one piece. But soaking will aid removal. If you can, peel the top layer of the wallpaper off in one long piece or in sections. If not, score the paper carefully using a blade first. Then soak generously with warm water and let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes. This softens the adhesive and makes it easier to scrape off. I always add a drop of washing up detergent to the water to help it stay on the wall. Work slowly and carefully to avoid damaging the wall underneath. And clean the wall down once all the paper has been scraped off to remove any glue residue. If removal is going to prove more stubborn, then alternative methods can be used, including a wallpaper perforator or paper tiger to pierce the wallpaper below. Fill a bucket with water and the removal solution as per the instructions on the bottle. Make sure to wear gloves for protection. Mix the solution together and apply with a roller or brush to the wall. Wait for 15 minutes and then repeat the application. Use a wallpaper scraper to release the corner and either scrape or pull the paper off. Finish by cleaning the walls with warm water and a sponge to remove any leftover glue. Leave your walls to dry completely before painting or hanging your new wallpaper. If you plan to remove wallpaper frequently or have several rooms to strip, investing in a steamer can be worthwhile. However, use it carefully. Too much heat can result in the plaster blowing. Now, head over to our other how-to videos, including your wallpapering toolkit and how to hang wallpaper.